How to use Llama 4 online for free. Today we are unraveling Llama 4, Meta AI's latest powerhouse trio that's redefining context lens, multimodal smarts, and open weight flexibility. At its core, Llama 4 is a mixture of experts family, meaning each model routes inputs through specialized experts to maximize efficiency and performance. There are three flavors: Scout, a compact 109 billion parameter model with a jaw-dropping 10 million token context window; Maverick, a 400 billion parameter multimodal generalist boasting a 1 million token context that already rivals GPT-4, DeepSeek V3, and Google Gemini 2.0 Flash; and Behemoth, a colossal 2 trillion parameter titan still bulking up in training but slated to outperform ChatGPT 4.5 and Claude 3.7 Sonnet on complex team benchmarks once it's ready. Meta didn't just pump up parameter counts, they have also dialed down bias and refusal rates. Llama 4 now refuses fewer than 2% of politically or socially sensitive queries and exhibits reduced political bias on par with XAI's Grok. In internal benchmark showdowns, Maverick has already outscored Gemini 2.0, DeepSeek V3, and GPT-4o on coding and reasoning tags, while Scout leaves Gemma 3, Mistral 3.1, and Llama 3.3 in the dust. And when Behemoth finishes its gains, it's expected to demolish Claude 3.7, Gemini 2.0o, and GPT 4.5 on the toughest team problems. So how do you get your hands on these beasts? For full control, head to Hugging Face, search Meta Llama 4, accept the gated license, then choose your precision for download or interference API calls. This route unlocks fine-tuning and full weight access. If you prefer to install simplicity, visit llama.com/get started. Click Try Llama, log in with Instagram or Facebook and start chatting with Llama 4, Scout, or Maverick right in your browser or mobile app. Meta has also baked Llama 4 into WhatsApp, Messenger, Instagram Direct, and the Meta AI website, already reaching over 600 million monthly users. For Hugging Face API, a few lines of Python get you chatting with Scout in no time. And on the web chat, you can ask what's your context window to see how impressively it handles mammoth inputs. Imagine long-form summarization of legal documents that never truncates, multimodal question answer with images plus text in Maverick, lightning-fast code generation and debugging, or research assistance that breeze through makeup papers without breaking a sweat. Just keep in mind that although Meta touts Llama 4 as open weight, its license bars commercially used by entities over 700 million users, a key consideration if you're planning to ship products. So there you have it, Llama 4 in all its MOE glory, bias stamped, and ready for your next big AI project. Which model will you spin up first? Drop your plans in the comments, smash that like button if you learned something new, and subscribe for more cutting-edge AI breakdowns. Catch you in the next one.